Hello folks, welcome back to Beach Bum Creations. It's Tom. In this episode, I'm going to show you what I have of this saw right here. I restored it. I didn't plan on restoring it. I took a lot of pictures when I took it apart because I wanted to know how to put it back together. So after some people saw it back together and then they said you should do a video on it. So I've got what I've got of it. And I think I mentioned it in another video that it was about 40 years old. I think it's more like around 30, closer to that age. But at any rate, it looked like it was about 50 or 60. Alright, here's just a quick overview of it. This is the way it looks right now. I have used it a few times since I restored it, but at any rate, you'll see a much better thing of it at the end of this. So, sit back and relax. Well, folks, I hope you like that little slideshow. Hi, welcome back. This is going to be a short video just to show you, I'm going to restore this piece of wood here. It's a pretty nice, thick piece of solid wood, but it's been sitting out for a long time, so it's kind of, I don't know, it's really messed up right there on this side. This side is not so bad. So, at any rate, I'm going to use this as a base for my angle saw because I need it when I do some of my projects to cut frames and whatnot for mirrors. So, this will be used for that. It'll be done today. Well, hi. Welcome back. Been sanding this for a little while now, and starting to look pretty good. You can see, looking pretty nice. So get some color on it. Some oil will look really good. A little bit more sanding. I got to change my belt. I'm sorry, I don't keep recording while I'm sanding because it is the most boring thing on earth to watch. So it's kind of boring to do, but more boring to end up watching it for half hour, an hour. So anyway, I'll come back when I'm done. Well, sanding, I got carried away and decided I was going to round the edges. So I rounded it, just grabbed the router and shoot, 5 minutes later, it's done. Well, here she is. It's all sanded. The back side's finished too. Looks like a mess, but it's good enough. It's the bottom. So I'll go ahead and stain this, and later on today I'll mount the angle saw on here. Alright, I'm back. Here we go. We've got 5 coats of oil on this side. It looks pretty good. I drilled the holes already for the saw. Bolted it down just to make sure it fit good. I got 3 coats on the back here. So it's starting to look pretty good here now. So there you have it. Next time you see it, it'll have a saw mounted onto it. I got the saw all apart right now. I decided to go ahead and do a little bit of refurbishing on it. So, at any rate, that's it. Okay, here's the finished product. Sitting on this bench. These were painted last time before I started, and you couldn't even move this. This thing would not move at all, hardly. And now it's perfect. There you have it. This really old Black & Decker angled saw is back to new.